Hey, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Heny Oktavia Ramadhani with last NPM 002. Today I will act as the teacher and my friend Ayunda will be the student. The title of today's lesson is Animals and Their Habitats. This lesson is designed for an intermediate level learner and will take approximately 15 minutes. During the lesson, we will learn about different animals, their habitats, and how to describe them using simple English sentences. So let's begin our lesson today. Next slide. Okay. Hello, how are you today?
Good, thank you.
Great. Today we are going to learn about animals and also their habitats. So look at these pictures. Tell me which animal can fly.
The eagle one.
Excellent. And now show me how a fish swims.
Like this.
Yes, very good. So where does a fish live?
In the ocean.
Perfect. So as you say that fish live in the ocean, is the ocean is the name of fish habitat. So habitat is the natural home of an animal. Next look at these camel's pictures. Where does it live?
It uh, it lives in the desert.
Good. So let's make a complete sentence with a good pronunciation. So repeat after me. A camel lives in the desert.
A camel lives in the desert.
Excellent. Next slide. So now look at this dolphin. Where does it live?
It lives in ocean.
Great job. And what animal is this?
It's penguin.
That's right. So now you ask me about the habitats.
Where where does it live?
Good. So the answer is it lives in the polar region. Repeat after me. It lives in the polar region.
It lives in the polar region.
Yes, excellent. Next slide. Okay, so as you can see in the table, there are also a picture of the lion. And the lion and the habitat of the lion is in savanna. So regarding best what we do earlier, so we learn about animal habitats and also the pictures of the animal. The animal is like lion, the habitat is in the savanna, camel, the habitat is in the desert, so dolphin, the habitat is in the ocean, penguin, the habitat is in the polar region. So next slide. So let's play guess the animal. I will give you 3 short clues. So you're gonna answer what the animal. So the first clue is it lives in the ocean. Second clue is it is very intelligent animals. And the third clue is it can swim very well.
A dolphin?
Yes, correct. Dolphin. Next slide.
Yes.
Yes, the answer is dolphin. Okay, now your turn. You give me 3 short clue about whatever animal you want to.
Okay. First, it lives in the cold place, and then second, they cannot fly, but they cannot fly, and then third is it like the habitat, it's like ice and snow.
I think the animal is penguin.
Yes, correct. Excellent. Good job, miss.
Okay, next slide. Okay, this is the summary, but before I talk about the summary, I want to give feedback of today's lesson. So good job for today's lesson. Ayunda, you answered the question very well and used complete sentences correctly. Your pronunciation was clear and you participate actively during the activities. So today in our lesson, we learned about animals and their habitats. We learned that a habitat is the natural home of an animal, and we also practice describing where the different animals live using simple English sentences. Next. So today lessons also have assignment, but because today's class is over, this assignment will be assigned as homework. So you can do the assignment in home. So for the homework, choose one animal that you like, write 3 to 5 simple sentences about it, and tell us where it lives, and include some simple facts about the animal. And also be ready to share your work in the next lesson. Thank you for your participation today. You did a great job learning about animals and their habitats, and I want you to keep practicing your English skill and don't forget to complete your homework. Next slide. Okay, see you next time. Thank you. So the next lesson,
So, so next is turn me to be a teacher to this lesson. So my name is Ayunda Magentha Valencia, and I will be a teacher for the lesson about mammals and egg-laying animals. So let's get started. Hello everyone.
Hello, Miss.
Okay, today we're going to learn about mammals and egg-laying animals. So look at this animal. Which animal has fur?
I think the animal is the cat.
Yes, good job. That's right. And then, sorry. And then, which animal lays egg? They can
Mm,
make some egg.
the chicken.
Yes, that's right. Chicken can be make some egg. So next, So the mammals give birth to babies and feed them with milk. Like, can you name one of mammal of this from
Yes,
this picture?
yes, I can. Is in the center picture is a dog.
No. Great. Does a dolphin lay eggs?
I think no.
Right. Dolphins are mammals. And then, okay. Now look at this turtle. Isn't a mammal?
I think no.
Yes, that's right. Turtle not mammals because it lays egg. Excellent answer. And what about a cat?
Mm,
Like
I
this before.
I think a cat is a mammal cat is cat is gives birth to babies.
Okay. Good job. Good job, guys. Okay. So I have some games. It's called Animal Detective. So you choose an animal secretly, and then I will I will guess from it's a mammal or not. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Um, it's it is a mammal.
Yes.
Does it live in the water?
Yes.
Mm, I think it's I think it's dolphin because penguin is lay
Yes.
eggs.
Yes, you're right, miss. The answer is dolphin.
Okay, great guys. Okay, uh, like about lesson today, I will ask you. So, what is a mammal? Yes.
Mammal is an animal that gives birth and feeds milk to its babies.
Okay, excellent work today. So, and also, so today we learn about mammals and egg-laying animals, and then we discuss their characteristics, identify different examples, and practice describing them in English. So thank you for your participation today. And also, I I give you some assignment. You can do it at your home. So for the assignment is you choose one mammals and one egg layings. Maybe write 2 until 3 sentences describing each animal, including its habitat and one characteristic. Okay, and then be prepared to share your answer in the next lesson. Okay, do
Okay,
you get
miss.
it, guys?
I get it.
Okay, thank you for your participation today.
Bye. Thank you, miss. See you next time.